Let's review how to use the Your Total Vehicles accordion on the Vehicular page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Vehicular page. Click on the Your Total Vehicles accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you'll see a clean, checklist-style layout displaying vehicle-related categories such as accidents, insurance, registrations, repairs, warranties, and more. Use the Select All checkbox to instantly include every category, or choose individual items based on your matter. You can deselect any option at any time by clicking the checkbox again. Once your selections are complete, simply download the compiled overview as a PDF, share it securely through a link, or continue working within Toolkit.law without interruption. This centralized workspace reduces manual tracking, improves organization, and keeps all vehicle-related documentation structured and ready to share. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Your Total Vehicles accordion.